Today we're making a cardboard flower. So this might get a little bit messy because we're using paint. So we need some scissors to do this and this. Would you help?
Yes.
My mom has a heavy sometimes. It's kind of hard to cut. You might need some pans for this because it's very hard to cut. And if you want, you can decorate it. And you have to use a pipe cleaner to make it scent. It's very important because you can because you need some paint too. And you have to cut, and by yourself you have to cut the butterflies. And then not butterflies. And then you have to cut the flower petals.
Yeah.
Just have to sometimes cut the petals, but you get it. I'm just cutting around there, all the way around, so you can see that. And now you just have to like poke a hole. Oh, I forgot we need some pipe cleaners. What? No, I meant pom-pom. Okay. You need pom-pom too. See, like this. If you, I have a very good paintbrush. I need a big paintbrush. You need big paintbrush. And you just have to try to poke a hole through there. Try not to let you use your mouth. And you get a pen of paintbrush.
Do I poke a hole?
Sometimes you have to poke a hole on some sides so you get it. There. So we need some water too. Because we're having blood. And sometimes it's not to get out. Let's do the shortest right now. It's hard to paint. It's hard to pick it out. Sometimes your paint is almost gone, and sometimes it isn't. But it has some paintbrush to paint all of it and decorate. You can paint however you want because it's very, you can paint with your own colors that you have at home. Just any color you want. My paint is almost gone. Yeah, it's kind of big sometimes. So you just paint all around. And you still want some pink colors, you have to rinse that in this water. It's clear. Dip it on the side so you can get that water out. And if you get another color that you want for the opening, yeah, some black is almost gone. Sometimes that what she said, but I think it was black. She's kind of getting the colors. You can actually paint it in color if you have paint. Half white back. Now I'm mixing up some colors.
Okay.
So you gotta dip a little bit of brush into it.
Tell them what you're doing.
And I'm mixing up some colors to make gray. I made gray. And then I paint with this gray color. And dip. Paint everywhere because it's very gonna get pretty. Yeah, sometimes your paint's almost done.
Okay, now do the next step.
And if you have glue or cement, you can mix it up. And you can paint any color like you. You have to make the perfect gray. And now I got the perfect grayish color, and I can paint inside it. You can actually paint any color you want if you want to mix up the colors or anything. And so, be careful.
Tell them what you're doing next.
And now stick this pipe cleaner through. You have any pipe cleaners? And some inside it.
And some glue.
Oh, that.
Okay, what about the pop-up?
And I'll put the pom-pom. I did. And how we decorate the house. And I would take these, all of these things you like, and glue, or with cement, or glue. Make anything. Sometimes you have to dip it very good. Put shimmery sauce. And if you have all the cement there, you can dip that stuff into the water cement. Put the water cement down.
Dip it on here. There you go.
And put the stuff you like. And carefully pick it up and you may flower. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.